Hi guys, this is going to be a review on a Victorinox super tinker. Okay, comes in a package like this. Has 14 functions. Shows all the tools. And just some information on the founder. And also it comes with a little guide right here. Just talks about how to use the can opener, how to close it, the maintenance, talks about the warranty, repairs, customer service, their legacy, and their products. And here it shows all the tools that they make on all the tools that they have. Okay, on this side it has a Phillips head screwdriver, and right there where it closes on the bottom it has, see that, a spot for a pin. Does not come with it, but it just takes any old pin. And it has a parcel hook, and all with a sewing eye. That's it for that side. On this side it has a can opener with a small flathead screwdriver on the top, and a bottle opener with a wire stripper, I guess, on the bottom right there, and a large flathead screwdriver on the tip. And it stops right here when you open it, but then you can put it the rest of the way. The can opener does not do that, it just opens one way. Don't know why. And it has scissors, really sharp, it worked really good. It has a small blade, pretty sharp, and the main blade, the large one, it's really sharp. And on the outside it has your tweezers, and your toothpick. Also it has a lanyard ring, and it's a great multi-tool. It cost $15 at Walmart. I recommend it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace.